Hello and welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be doing like a autumnal Halloween because it is nearly Halloween, so I thought I would make a video relating to that because I absolutely love Halloween. So what I'm going to be doing is making some polymer clay earrings. So I did a video on this maybe a month or two ago and it did quite well, like people really enjoyed it, so I thought I'd do that again but make Halloween things this time. So stay tuned to see that. So these are like my 2 boxes of all my polymer clay stuff. This is where all the clay is, and there's like 50 different colours in here. And I've also, it comes with some of these tools, but I've also added some. There's like little sprinkly things, glitter, string, and then this is like all the colours. So I'm thinking I'm going to be needing this orange colour here, because I think you can guess what I'm going to make the symbol of Halloween really. I'm going to be making a pumpkin. This is like where I keep like all my cutters, and this is my little jewellery making kit as well. This is what I use to make the earrings. So I'm gonna actually start making my little pumpkin bit. So I'm actually gonna be using this pumpkin colour clay, and I'm gonna rip a little bit off. I don't know how I'm gonna do this yet properly, but you have to kind of mould it in your hands for a while first to make it like soft to use. And I'm actually going to get up a picture of a little pumpkin. Right, I'm rolling it into a ball, but I think it's going to be a bit big. I want them to be like really cute and little because they're literally going to hang from your ears, so you don't want them to be too heavy. So now that I've got my ovally shape, I'm just using this like straight thing just to add in the little lines of the pumpkin. So I'm now using the green. I've made the little pumpkin-y shape. I don't want to crush it, because it's called, the clay's quite warm. I'm going to be trying to make like a few different Halloween-y ones. So I think I'm going to do a pumpkin with like a little face on as well, like it's been carved. But obviously the first set of earrings is just going to be a basic pumpkin. So I'm just going to literally rip off a tiny bit of green clay. And I'm going to be adding it onto there, and then I'm going to make the hole for the little earring to go through. So from the jewellery kit there's like this little pokey thing. I don't know what it's called. It's just like a pokey thing. And I'm going to poke it through this bit here. But like I kind of need to. And this, I think I need to do it at the top actually. This is where the loop is going to go through to actually make it into an earring. But I'm going to cook it first. So I also made this tiny little, this is like a carved out pumpkin this time. My normal pumpkins are over here. I also made a little ghost, but I'm not sure if it looks that much like a ghost. But yeah, this is probably my favourite one because it looks so cool. I'm going to make the matching one to that now so it can be a set of earrings. So I actually made a pair of the little ones with faces on now. I think these are probably my favourite. And you know what, I'm even going to add a face onto the normal ones now because I think I prefer it. But all I used for that was literally liquid eyeliner. I just use liquid eyeliner to put on that to make it the colour, look like it's been carved out. And then I added in the little metal thing to make it into an earring, and then I just added the green stalk round and wrapped it round. So here's my 4 little cuties, my 4 little cute pumpkins on a bit of tin foil. So I've preheated the oven to about 130 and I'm going to set it for 15 minutes. And that's how long you cook them for. So I'm gonna put them in to cook. This just makes them hard, so then they're basically just like, then you can use them as earrings. And then I'll show you the construction. So once they are cooked, I can then show you how I construct it into an earring. So they're cooked, and I think they look really cute. They're still pretty warm actually. I think they look really cute. And before I cooked them, I already put, these ones I put like a metal hoop in, as you can see, little metal hoop, and these ones I poked like a little metal prod in them, so that means that I can now use my jewellery kit, which is just here, and I can take the little earring pieces and put them on. So that's what I'm going to do now. So yeah, these are the cute little pumpkin earrings in. I think they're very Halloween-y and I actually love them. I think they look so cute. They're literally so easy to make and perfect to wear on Halloween as well, or like in the run up to Halloween if you want to be in that Halloween spirit. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.